10 AI tools that can make you look 10x smarter at work. What if the smartest person at work is not actually smarter than you? Maybe they just know the right AI tools. Today I'm going to show you 10 powerful AI tools that can help you save time, write better, research faster, organize your work, and look more professional in 2026. And make sure you watch until the end, because tool number 10 can help you improve your meetings, communication, and confidence like never before. Welcome back to Next Gen Choices, where we share smart tools, smart ideas, and smart moves for your career, money, and future. If you want to stay ahead in this fast-changing AI world, subscribe now. Let's start. Tool 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like your personal thinking assistant. You can use it to write emails, create reports, summarize documents, plan meetings, brainstorm ideas, and solve daily work problems. But don't use it like a normal search engine. Give it clear context. For example, instead of saying, "Write an email," say, "I am a marketing manager. Write a polite email to reject a proposal without damaging the relationship." That is how you get better results. Tool 2. Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is perfect for research. It gives you answers with sources, so you can check where the information came from. Use it for reports, presentations, market research, competitor analysis, and fact-checking. It saves hours of searching on Google. Tool 3. Notion AI. Notion AI is like a second brain. It helps you organize notes, projects, meeting summaries, tasks, and ideas in one place. You can paste messy notes, and it can turn them into a clean plan. If your work feels scattered, Notion AI can help you stay organized. Tool 4. Fireflies AI. Fireflies AI is a meeting assistant. It joins your Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet calls, records the meeting, transcribes everything, and creates summaries with action points. You don't need to write notes while people are talking. You can focus on the meeting, and Fireflies handles the details. Tool 5. Grammarly. Your writing creates your first impression. Grammarly helps you write better emails, messages, reports, and LinkedIn posts. It corrects spelling, grammar, tone, and clarity. It helps you sound professional, confident, and clear. Tool 6. Motion. Motion is an AI calendar and scheduling tool. It plans your day based on your tasks, meetings, deadlines, and priorities. When something changes, it automatically adjusts your schedule. If you struggle with time management, Motion can make your day much easier. Before we continue, tell me in the comments, which AI tool do you want to try first? Also, if this video is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Next Gen Choices. Now let's continue. Tool 7. Gamma. Gamma helps you create beautiful presentations quickly. You type your topic, and it creates a professional-looking presentation with structure, design, and layout. It is great for business reports, sales decks, school projects, client pitches, and strategy documents. No more wasting hours designing slides from scratch. Tool 8. Claude is great for deep thinking and long documents. You can upload big reports, documents, or notes and ask Claude to summarize, analyze, or rewrite them. It is useful for writing, research, planning, coding explanations, and complex tasks. If you need clear and human-like writing, Claude is a powerful tool. Tool 9. Zapier. Zapier connects your apps and automates repetitive work. For example, when someone fills out a Google form, Zapier can automatically add the details to a spreadsheet, send an email, and create a task. This saves time and reduces manual work. Smart workers don't do everything by hand. They build systems. Tool 10. Read AI. Read AI is more than a meeting transcription tool. It analyzes your meetings. It can show meeting highlights, engagement, sentiment, speaking time, and communication performance. This is very useful for salespeople, managers, team leaders, and anyone who attends many meetings. It helps you understand how you communicate and how to improve. Recap. Here are the 10 AI tools again. ChatGPT for thinking and writing. Perplexity AI for research, Notion AI for organization, Fireflies AI for meeting notes, Grammarly for better writing, Motion for time management, Gamma for presentations, Claude for deep work, Zapier for automation, Read AI for better meetings. You don't need to use all 10 today. Start with 2 or 3 tools that solve your biggest problem. The truth is simple. AI will not replace smart workers, but smart workers who use AI may replace those who don't. So start learning these tools now. Use them to save time, improve your work, and stay ahead. If you found this video useful, like this video, subscribe to Next Gen Choices, and comment which AI tool you will try first. See you in the next video. Choose wisely.